It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition for Tuesday, May 23rd. I'm James Spann. A cloudy, showery afternoon tomorrow. One of the coolest late May days on record in the state. And again, the chance of some light rain at times. But by the end of the week, the weather warmer and drier. Water vapor satellite view, a big, deep, cold trough beginning to form across the middle of the nation. That's headed our way. In advance of that, we have a number of showers in progress. That was the radar at 2:37. Showers, some thunder in spots. Those are moving on to the east. Nothing severe. We'll maintain the chance of occasional showers this afternoon and tonight. And temperatures way below average. Those were taken early this afternoon, only low in mid-70s. And tomorrow, many spots could have a hard time getting out of the 60s. There's a visible satellite view. You can see mostly cloudy conditions across much of the state. A few breaks in the cloud cover. Temperatures around the nation noticeably colder out west, and we'll start to feel that tomorrow. Check out the watch warning map around the nation. Flash flood watches for extreme southeast Alabama over into Georgia and the Carolinas. Got a tornado watch for the southeastern tip of the state, including Dothan until 5 o'clock Central Time. But no severe weather expected on our end of the state. This is the overall convective outlook for the rest of today and tonight. Risk of severe storms from South Texas up into the South Atlantic coast. In Alabama, a marginal risk of severe storms south of a line from Grove Hill to near Montgomery and Roanoke. The area is in darker green. That's for the possibility of small hail and strong gusty winds. And then tomorrow, Wednesday, a marginal risk of severe weather east of a line from near Center down to Verbena and Atmore. Again, the area is in darker green. Same thing, maybe some small hail, strong gusty winds with the deep upper trough coming through the state. Here's the rain for the next 7 days, valid through Tuesday morning of next week. This is suggesting the heavier totals maybe across the Tennessee Valley of North Alabama. And up there, they'll have a better chance of rain at this point over the weekend and early next week, as you'll see. But again, for a state that is still in drought conditions in spots, that's a good-looking map. So model fans, check this out. Wow. This is the GFS, the 12Z run, valid tomorrow afternoon at 1 o'clock at 500 millibars, and what a trough for late May. Goodness. Down below that, a surface low south of Cincinnati. And for us, we'll have occasional showers. This is the high-res NAM tomorrow morning at 9 o'clock, looking fairly wet. Then at 9 o'clock tomorrow night, still the chance of a few lingering showers. And again, it's going to be a very cool day. Highs only in the low 70s. And there's a chance we set a new record low maximum for May 24th. And if by chance we stay in the 60s, we have only had one May day on record for the entire month since weather records started here back in the late 1800s with a high under 70. And that was back on May 5th, 1950. Thursday, the weather improves, the sky becoming partly to mostly sunny. Still cool for the season, the high only in the mid-70s. We might be in the upper 40s in spots early Thursday morning. This is Friday. Again, we start the day well down in the 50s, but a big warm-up. The sky will be sunny. We go back in the 80s. And Saturday, as the weekend begins, it looks dry for the state. Highs in the upper 80s. Very warm day. Showers north of the state. And then Sunday, we will introduce the chance of showers and maybe some thunder for the northern half of the state. That's not to say it's going to rain all day. It won't, but it will probably rain at times. High dropping into the mid-80s. And Memorial Day, this is Monday, May 29th. Again, a cloudy day with a pretty good chance of showers and thunderstorms. The high in the low to mid-80s. Week from today, Tuesday, May 30th, troughing north of the state, and this is suggesting the better chance of showers and storms at that point should be down across the southern half of the state, with drier air filtering into North Alabama. Here's the end of the forecast period, Friday of next week, June 2nd, as we cruise into meteorological summer, troughing off the upper Atlantic coast, and that looks dry and pleasant. Numbers coming off the GFS. You can see those cool maximums today, tomorrow, and Thursday. Maybe upper 40s in spots Thursday morning for the colder pockets, but after that, highs go back in the 80s by the weekend and next week. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.